Morning guys, today in this video I want to explain previous 8 years questions from the chapter units and measurements which were asked in JEE mains. Before going to our session, you need to subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. This can be gives us more support to me. Now let us start our topic. So here the question it is, identify the pair whose dimensions are equal. Option A, torque and work, stress and energy. Option C, force and stress. Option D, force and work. Now we need to explain all the dimension formula for which the physical quantities are given. At first, option A, torque and work. Torque tau is equal to R cross F. It is equal to RF sin theta. Whereas R is the position vector, it can be denotes by length in dimensions, and F is equal to ma, then m into L t minus 2, it can be ml to t minus 2. And coming to the work W, it is equal F dot S, it is equal to Fs cos theta. It can be written as force is equal to ma, that ml t minus 2 into S, it is equal displacement, that is nothing but length, it can be ml to t minus 2. So here ml to t minus 2, ml to t minus 2. So the equal dimension pair, it is torque and work. So that is option A. So is it right or not? We have to check all the physical components which were given in our question. So coming to the option B, so then stress and energy. Stress is equal to force by area, that is equal, force is nothing but ma ml t minus 2 by area, it is equal to L square, it is equal to ml minus 1 t minus 2. And similarly energy, E is equal to whatever the energy it is, mgh or half mv square, that is we can write as mgh, it is mass into acceleration due to gravity, that is acceleration L t minus 2 into height, it is nothing but L, so it is equal to ml to t minus 2. So here ml minus 1 t minus 2, ml to t minus 1, so this is not identical. And coming to option C, force and stress, it is force and stress. So force F is equal to ma, that is mass into L t minus 2, it is equal to ml t minus 2. And stress, already we denoted that F by A, that is ml minus 1 t minus 2. So these are not identical. So coming to the option D is force and work. Force and work. So force F is equal to ma, that should be written as mlt minus 2, and work W, it is equal F dot S or Fs, it is equal ml t minus 2 into L, it is ml to t minus 2. So these are also not identical. So here the identical components are torque and work, that is option A. Coming to the second question, which was asked in 2003 JEE mains, dimensions of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught where symbols have their usual meaning are option A L minus 1 t, option B L minus 2 t2, option C L2 t minus 2, option D L t minus 1. So here dimensions of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught, solution it is, so the velocity of the light in the vacuum, so that can be given to us, C is equal 1 by under root of mu naught epsilon naught. So here 1 by mu naught epsilon naught dimensions are given, so just we have to squaring on both sides, that is C square, it is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So here 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is equal to C square. C, it is the velocity of the light in the vacuum, so velocity is equal, velocity it is equal to displacement by time, so it can be written as L by t. So here if C square it is equal, then we can write L by t whole square, it is equal 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So here L by T square nothing but it is L square T minus 2. It is equal 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So whereas the option it is L2 T minus 2. It is L2 T minus 2. So this is the right answer for this question. Coming to the next question, which was asked in the same year, that is 2003. So the physical quantities not having same dimensions are. So here, which option the physical quantities are having not dimensions, we have to find out. Coming to the option A, that is torque and work. So which was denoted in our first question. So torque tau it is equal to R cross F, it is equal to RF sin theta, then length into m l t minus 2, it is equal to ml2 t minus 2. And coming to the another component, that is work, it is equal to F dot S, it is Fs cos theta or Fs, it is m l t minus 2 into distance, it is nothing but L, it is ml2 t minus 2. So these are the equal dimension formula components. Here asking that is which physical quantities not having same dimensions. These are the same dimensions. So option, coming to the option B, so whereas momentum and Planck's constant. So here momentum is equal to mass into velocity, so that can be written as m into L t minus 1. And coming to the Planck's constant, so that is h, it can be written as E is equal to h nu and h is equal E by nu. So E is equal to energy, that is mgh by nu, it can be written as m into L t minus 2 into L by, whereas frequency it is 1 by time, that is time inverse. So it can be written as m L2, whereas t minus 1 goes to the upper side, then plus 1, that is t minus 1. So ml2 t minus 1, ml t minus 1. So these are the different terms. And coming to the option C, so that is stress and Young's modulus. So stress it is equal to force by area, it is equal to m l t minus 2 by L2, area it is equal length into breadth, it is m l minus 1 t minus 2. And coming to the Young's modulus, it is y is equal to longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain, that is FL by A small l. LL will be cancelled out, it is F by A remaining. So F by A it is nothing but stress, we can written as ml minus 1 t minus 2. So these are the equal dimensional physical components. And coming to the, it is speed and mu naught epsilon naught whole power minus 1 by 2. So speed it is equal to distance by time, it is s by t, it will be written as L by t, it is equal to L t minus 1. And mu naught epsilon naught whole power minus 1 by 2, it is equal, already we have to denoted in previous question, c square it is equal 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Mu naught epsilon naught is equal 1 by c square. It is equal, c square is equal to L square by t square, it is t square by L square. So it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught whole power minus 1 by 2, it is equal t square L minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. So it can be t minus 1 L t minus 1 L, it is L t minus 1. So this is the L t minus 1, where it is also having identical dimensions. So here the non-identical dimensions are having, that is, which was option B. Option B is non-identical dimensions, that is moment and Planck's constant. Now the other question which was asked in 2004. So which one of the following represent the correct dimensions of the quotient of viscosity? If we have remember the quotient of viscosity dimension formula, you should correct the answer with accuracy. So just we have to solve that solution. From the Stokes formula, we can written F is equal 6 pi neta RV. So whereas Neta, it is equal quotient of viscosity F by 6 pi R V. So pi is equal constant, that is 22 by 7. 6 is also numerical value. Then we can write F by RV. So F is equal to MA, then MLT minus 2 by L into R for length, distance, that is radius or distance. It is V for L T minus 1. LL will be cancelled. So then we can write ML minus 1 T minus 1. So ML minus 1 T minus 1. Here ML minus 1 T minus 1, it is the dimension formula for quotient of viscosity. Option A is the right answer. This is the another question which was asked in 2005. Out of the following pair, which one does not have identical dimensions? So this is also related to asked the question in 2003. So here 4 options are there, which was not have identical dimensions. So just check the options. Option A, impulse and momentum. Impulse and momentum. So here impulse I, it is equal force into largest force into shortest time, that is equal to F into T, that nothing but ML T minus 2 into T, it is equal to ML T minus 1. And similarly momentum, P is equal to mass into velocity, that is equal to ML T minus 1. ML T minus 1. So these are the identical. So here the question is, one does not have identical dimensions. So this is the identical dimension. So coming to the option B, whereas angular momentum and Planck's constant. Angular momentum. So angular momentum, L is equal to mvr sin theta. Mvr, it is mass into Lt minus 1 into L. It is equal to ml2 T minus 1. And coming to the Planck's constant, E is equal Planck's constant h nu. H is equal to E by nu. It should be written as mgh by nu. Mgh nothing but m Lt minus 2 into L by frequency, it is equal to 1 by time, that is time inverse. So it can be written as ml2 T minus 1. ml2 T minus 1. ml2 T minus 1. So these are also identical dimensions. So coming to the option C, where which was asked work and torque. So work and torque. So already we denoted in our first question, W it is equal to Fs or F dot S Fs cos theta, then ml T minus 2 into L, it is equal to ml2 T minus 2. And torque tau is equal to R cross F, that is Rf sin theta, it is L into ml T minus 2. It is equal to ml2 T minus 2. So these are also identical. But coming to the option D, where which was asked moment of inertia and moment of force. So moment of inertia, I is equal m r square. So that is m into r nothing but distance to the particle, that is L square. It is equal to m L2. So coming to the moment of a force, that is nothing but torque, it is equal to R cross F. We can written as ml2 T minus 2. So these are the non-identical components which was in our option D. This is the question which was asked in 2008. The dimensions of magnetic field in M, L, T and C for Coulomb is given as MLT minus 1 C minus 1, MT2 C minus 2, MT minus 1 C minus 1, MT minus 2 C minus 1. Solution. So here the formula for magnetic field, what I am remembering, it is F it is equal QVB sin theta. So which was, so theta has no dimensions, F is equal QVB. So this is the formula where the force acting on the moving charge which is in a uniform magnetic field. Then we can write B is equal F by QV. So F is equal to mLT minus 2 and by Q for Coulomb and V for LT minus 1. So this can be written as M, LL will be cancelled out, it is C minus 1, it is T minus 1, MC minus 1 t minus 1. So this is the option M, c minus 1, t minus 1. So it is the option C is the right answer. So coming to the next question, which was asked in the same year 2008, a body of mass m is equal 3.513 kg is moving along the x-axis with the speed of 500 meter per second. The magnitude of its momentum is recorded as, so momentum, it is nothing but, so momentum is equal mass into velocity. So we can written as mass into velocity. So the mass of the body m is equal 3.513 and velocity of the speed of the body, that is 5 meter per second. So we can be multiplied the equation, so then we can get the value, it is 1 point, sorry, solution, it is momentum, it will be written as mass into velocity. So that is mass is equal 3.513 kg and velocity it is equal 5 meter per second. So the multiplied by these two, we can get 17.6 kg meter per second. So the option A is the right answer. Thank you. The other question which was asked in 2009, in an experiment the angles are required to be measured using an instrument. 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with the 30 divisions of the vernier scale. If the smallest division of the main scale is of a degree, then least count of the instrument is. So here what was the data given to us? It is 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with the 30 divisions of the vernier scale division. So 30 divisions of the VSD, vernier scale, it is equal 29 divisions of the MSD. So here 1 VSD it is equal, we can written as 29 by 30 MSD. The formula for least count of an instrument, it is equal 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So it can be 1 MSD minus 29 by 30 VSD, whereas 1 VSD is equal 29 by 30 MSD. So here it can be written as, so 30 minus 29, it is 1 by 30 MSD. So this is the LC. LC it is nothing but least count. So here 1 MSD value was given that, so if the smallest division of the main scale is half a degree, it is 0.5 degree. So then it can be written as 1 by 30 into 0.5 degree. Then it can be written as 1 by 30 into 0.5 degree, it is nothing but 30 arc minutes. So it is 30 and 30 cancelled out, it is 1 minute. So 1 minute is the least count. So therefore the least count of the instrument, it is 1 minute. Option D is right answer. And now the other question which was asked in 2010, the respective number of significant figures for the numbers 23.023, 0.0003 and 2.1 into 10 power minus 3 are. So here 23.023 have, so there are 5 number of significant figures, and 0.003 is zeros are countless. For the conditions of the significant figures, we can written as the significant figure from this digit, it is 1, and here from this 2.1 in 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus will be omitted, then 2.1. so these two digits are significant figures 2. So here option A is the right answer. So for better understand, we have to practice the important steps for the significant figures. We should follow the steps.